All right, guys, hi, I'm back. How are you guys? I really hope that our last video about estimating helped. So today, this I believe is Mental Math Strategies edition, 4 edition. This was lesson 1.4, which was Friday of last week, okay? So I'm here to help. I know it was also a little difficult and just needs a little bit more explanation. So I hope I can do that for you guys. So now, it gives you timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a timeline here. Okay? Like that. And we are going to do, let's do 57 plus 15. Okay? Now, it wants you to use tens and ones to find the answer. So 57 plus 15. So you are always going to start with that first number, okay, for today. So 57 is going to go on your number line first, okay? Let's jump for now, because it's only 15, up to, let's do count by 5. We'll do 60, and then we'll count by 5s. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, okay? So now, we're gonna always start with this first number, 57, and all we need to do is add 15. So if we jump to 60, because remember, when we're doing mental math, the same as last time, it is easiest to add with a 0 or a 5 in your ones place, okay? So let's jump to 60. Now, 57 to 60 is what? 3, so plus 3 here, okay? Now, we still have, how many more left? So, let's do a 10. So, 60 to 70, right? So, how many did we jump from 60 to 70? 10 plus 10. Now, 10 plus 3 is 13. So to get to 15, we only need to jump 2 more. So 2 more than 70. So 1, 2, we jump, plus 2, and we get 72, okay? So jump to make it easy for you. There's not a specific way to jump. So whatever's gonna make it easier on you is the best solution. So here, what I did is I started at 57 and then made it to 60 because I always want, remember, just like estimating, you want it to be a 0 or a 5. It's easier to count that way. So I made it to 60, which was plus 3, okay? Now let's count by tens. So we jump to 70. 10 plus 3 is 13, and we're trying to get plus 15. So we know that we have to jump 2 more spots. So 70 plus 2 more is 72, okay? Now, let's do another one. I'm still erasing with Cora's bib because I need to remember an eraser. All right, let's do another here. Let's do 34 plus 18, okay? Again, we're gonna use tens and ones to find our answer. So remember, we're always going to start with this number on our number line. So I'm going to put a line, I'm going to write 34, okay? Now remember, on our lines and when we're adding in our head, we want it to end with a 5 or a 0. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 35 here, okay? And then I'm going to count by 5s. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, okay? Now, 34. So we're always going to put our dot on 34 first. I'm going to go ahead and jump 1, which takes me to 35. That's 1 jump. We have to jump 17 more. So now let's do a 10, okay? So 35, so 5, 10 would take us to 45. So plus 10. But are we done jumping? We have 10 plus 1. No, what is 10 plus 1? 11. We have to jump 18 spots. So now let's jump by 5s. 45 to 50. 45 to 50 is plus 5. So now we have 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16. And we're trying to get to 18. So all we have to do is jump 2 more spots. So 50, 51, 52. So plus 1, and we get 52. 34 plus 18 is 52. What this chapter is trying to do is trying to give you different resources to use to add mentally, okay? To help your brain add mentally. So if you can use estimating better than the number line, that's fine. When we get to that end test, as long as you get the correct answer, it is A-okay, okay? So this chapter is just giving us different resources to use to help us understand how to add mentally, okay? Let's do one more example. Okay, let's do 22 plus 49, okay? Again, here's our number line. Okay, now this one has 22 in the beginning. Now, I know that I said that we would always start with this first number, but I should have said, let's start with the larger number, okay? So here we are with our larger number, and it is 49. So I'm gonna put it right here, 49, okay? Now, I'm going to first make this 50, because remember, when we are adding things, it is always easier to add with a 0 and a 5 at the end of your number, okay? So I went to 50. Now I'm going to count by 5s. So 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, okay? Now, so we start with 49 because that is our larger number. So I wrote 49 on here. Let's just, now when we have to jump 22 spots to get our answer. So, start at 49. I'm just going to jump 1 to 50. So then it is easier for us to add. Now, I know that I have to jump 22, and I've only jumped 1, okay? So let's jump by 10. So if we're on 50, to jump 10 spots, 5, 10, I'm going to go like that. And you're going to put a plus 10 up there so that you can add as you go and you don't go over 22. So now we've done 11. So we can do 10 more. So we're on 60. 10 more than 60 is 75, 10. So plus 10. Now we have 10 plus 10 is 20, okay? And plus 1 is 21. We're trying to get to 22. So let's jump 1 more. So 70 plus 1 more is 71. Okay? And to check your answer, you can add your numbers up here. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 1 is 21, plus another 1 is 22. So 22 plus 49 is 71. Okay, guys? So this was under last Thursday's Google Slides. It was titled Mental Math Strategies for Addition, and it was 1.4. Yes, 1.4, and I really, really hope this helps. If you need any more help, please let me know. Continue commenting on our Google Slides, and I will help you do the best that I can. All right, guys, you have a wonderful night. Enjoy the beautiful weather outside, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.